Hi everyone, I welcome you all to my channel Learn English Today. In today's video, we are going to learn some very exciting phrases that will elevate your language skills. So, without wasting time, let's get started. The first one is on the spur of the moment. On the spur of the moment, meaning suddenly without any previous planning or thought, means कुछ भी कर लेना तत्काल उसी टाइम करना बिना किसी प्लानिंग के बिना कुछ प्रोग्राम बनाए हुए ऑन द स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट पे कुछ करना एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं ऑन द स्पर ऑफ द मोमेंट वी डिसाइडेड टू हेड नॉर्थ दैट डे इंस्टेड ऑफ ईस्ट. Next sentence, he quit his job on the spur of the moment without any plan for what to do next. On the spur of the moment means doing something suddenly and without planning. It's when you decide to do something instantly. बिना पहले से सोचे हुए बिना पहले से प्लान किए हुए नेक्स्ट इज इन द निक ऑफ टाइम इन द निक ऑफ टाइम मीनिंग एट द लास्ट पॉसिबल मोमेंट ओनली जस्ट इन टाइम मतलब एन मौके पर जस्ट इन टाइम बिल्कुल समय पर इससे पहले कि देर हो जाए एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस द फायर फाइटर्स अराइव्ड in the nick of time saving the house from burning down completely. Next sentence, he submitted his assignment in the nick of time just before the deadline closed. In the nick of time. Matlab doing something just in time with very little time to spare. Next phrase लेते हैं टाइम एंड अगेन मीनिंग ऑफन रिपीटेडली यानी कि बार बार करना किसी चीज़ को बार बार करना एक से ज़्यादा बार करना टाइम एंड अगेन एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस he has been warned time and again but about the consequences of his actions. Next sentence, time and again, she proved her dedication to the project with her hard work. Time and again means doing something repeatedly or frequently, बार बार किसी चीज़ को करना. Next is once in a blue moon. Once in a blue moon meaning very rarely, not very often. यानी बहुत कम होना या ईद का चांद हो जाना उसको बोलते हैं वंस इन अ ब्लू मून एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस he only visits his hometown once in a blue moon but when he does it's a special occasion. Next sentence, I don't eat fast food often, just once in a blue moon when I am craving something different. Once in a blue moon means something that happens very rarely. It refers to an event or action that doesn't occur often. The last one now. I stitch in a time saves nine. I stitch in a time saves nine. Meaning one should act on time to solve a problem before it turns complex or unmanageable. मतलब किसी प्रॉब्लम को अर्ली स्टेजेस पे ही सॉल्व कर लेना किसी प्रॉब्लम को शुरू में ही फिक्स कर लेना इससे पहले कि वो और बिगड़ जाए या और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड या कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाए एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर हेल्थ अर्ली ऑन इज वाइज आफ्टर ऑल आई स्टिच इन टाइम सेव्स नाइन. Next is he decided to fix the broken step right away, knowing that a stitch in time saves nine. A stitch a time in time saves nine means that fixing a small problem right away can prevent from becoming a bigger issue later. So, in today's video, we have learned some amazing phrases on the spur of a moment, in the nick of time, time and again, Once in a blue moon, a stitch in a time saves 9. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have learned some amazing vocabulary. So, if you liked my video, please don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, happy learning and thanks for watching.